Well, after hitting record highs in 2022, domestic airfares dropped in price last year. But the ACCC says cancellations and delays remain higher than long-term averages. Joining me now is our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, the ACCC says revenue per passenger fell about 13% year on year.
Yes, so that's the good news. So basically, airfares have come down from their record highs. This is part of the ACCC's regular airline monitoring report. You can see some of the stats here. So prices basically down per passenger 13.4% over that 12-month period. But look, only about 64% of flights actually arrived on time. 4.8 million people flew during the month of December domestically, which is basically back to 94% of pre-COVID level capacity. But the problem the ACCC highlights in their report is 5% of flights during December 2023 were cancelled. That's twice the long-term average. So cancellations are still up. And look, just in Sydney as an example, yesterday we had an issue where 2 air traffic controllers called in sick, and the number of aircraft movements per hour in and out of Sydney Airport was 50. It was cut down to 26 per hour. So there are still issues plaguing our airports, and we're having serious problems with flight cancellations. So cancellations are still high and delays are still common. So that's the big problem. But airfares, the good news though, Laura, airfares are falling from those record highs that we saw in 2022 when everyone wanted to go overseas for the first time after the pandemic.
Yep, we remember the lines for the passport office as well. Let's shift topics just a little bit, Ed. There are a range of companies reporting their profit results today, and it's led by Australia's largest healthcare company, CSL.
CSL, it's the largest healthcare company, and it's the third largest company on Australia's stock market. So when it has a good profit result, a lot of Australians with super funds would have shares in CSL. So you can see here in the half year, their revenue increased pretty substantially, up 12%. Profit was up about 11% and dividend increased as well. Remember, they're a blood biotech company. They've got a lot of vaccine products, and the vaccines business was really the big one that helped them over that 6-month period to the end of December boost their profits. So a lot of Aussies today with super funds would be benefiting from CSL's results. But just looking across the rest of the market today, we've got some results from James Hardie, the building products maker. We've got Temple & Webster, the retailer. And here's the stock market in early trade. Up just 10 points, but expect potentially a little bit of a lift later in the afternoon.
Lovely. Ed, thanks so much. We'll see you soon.